morning everybody. So today I came to Mount Takao, which is really beautiful mountain, just 1 hour away from Tokyo. I had a day off today, kind of. I still have a tour at night. I have like almost like whole day off. So I wanted to do a quick recharge, from the nature. Now I'm gonna start climbing up mountain. And yeah, there's a lift and cable car, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna climb. So let's see. According to my research and my memory, this number 6. This is the kind of hardest, but it's got a lot of beautiful places to see along the way. So my plan is to go up to the to the top through this number 6, and I'll come back using number 3 or 2, because along the way there are some temples and places to eat. So first I'll go with this, and I'll go down with either 3 or 2, I don't remember. And I also want to use this lift car, so let's go. Oh yeah, this one, lift car. I just found natural slope, but I'm not brave enough to try this, so I'm just gonna skip. Yeah, there's actually one thing I noticed. Nowadays in Japan, there are bears getting out of mountains. So even in these small mountains, people who's climbing, they bring bells. Well, I didn't bring one. I hope I'm not gonna run into them. Yeah, nowadays it's I don't know, maybe it's a climate change thing. But yeah, looks really beautiful here. It's almost there. Now I see. Lovely, wow. Again, big dog. Super nice. Leaves are turning red. Not yet all of them, but yeah, they are turning red. And here you go again, big dog. Okay, so now I'm going down, and I was gonna go down with trail number 4 or 5, I don't remember, in the beginning, but now I changed my plan. I'm just gonna go down with number 1. That's the easiest one, and that is paved road. But still, along the way, we will see, I'll see some good spots, so let's go. So I got this. This is called dango, and with what is this? Miso. Miso is miso. Yeah, it's a Japanese thing. So good. So yeah, right now I'm going down with this trail number 1, and which is supposed to be the easiest, which is said to be the easiest path to climb up. But I feel like it's the opposite. Yes, it's paved and it's safe, but now and going down is fine. But going up with this trail number 1, I imagine that, I think it's really boring. So I would feel it's much easier climbing up number 6 rather than number 1, or maybe other route. Yeah, number 6, yeah, maybe for someone who hasn't done any exercise, like regularly, it might be a little bit difficult. But yeah, just my opinion. Like I wouldn't say trail number one is the easiest because it's gonna be super boring. あ、そうなんですか。ありがとうございます。じゃあ400円お願いします。はい。あ、そうかそうか。はい、ありがとうございます。じゃあこの子今2歳の男の子で名前ガッチャンって言います。ガッチャン。ガッチャン。ナンバーワンです。あ、中に書いてあるんですね。そうですね。中身はその黒いボックスでお願いします。はい。お、大吉だ。お、大吉よかった。大吉です。ありがとうガッチャン。So this one is also a famous street here in Takao Mountain. It's called, I forgot the name. I think it was Takao Yakyo or something. Sorry, I forgot the name. But it's a pancake with red beans paste. Good. Really good. お持ちのお客様 Wow. Okay, it is actually really nice view, but also at the same time it's kind of scary because in this lift, well, I've done it only in ski resort. There is a safety bar, but here there is no safety bar. It was a good ride. It was really nice. Okay, so I am back. Yeah, I was gonna have lunch, but I'm not that hungry to be honest because I already had some snacks and sweets. And also I came back a little bit earlier than I expected. It's still 1. So instead of going to soba place, by the way, soba, that's a kind of a noodle here in Japan. And you'll see a lot of soba restaurants here in Mount Takao. So yeah, instead of going there, I think I'm going to onsen, hot spring, and I'm gonna do a quick recharge. And after that, I'm going back to Tokyo. But on the way to Tokyo, there's a station called Tachikawa. It's actually very close from here, Mount Takao. And most likely, if you're coming from Tokyo, you will pass there because you're gonna use Chuo line. And yeah, there's a very nice fried noodle restaurant. I've been there many times and it's amazing. I thought it would be better, instead of going to soba places here that is mountain price, like a touristic places that usually have they have a little bit higher prices. So instead of going there, I'm just gonna have a good fried noodle, and also I'm gonna rest in onsen. So now I'm heading to onsen. Okay, so now I just finished onsen and that was amazing. They had outside bath. That's what I like the most about that place. And they also had sauna. So in that after going to sauna, you get out and then you have fresh air, and also you could see all these beautiful mountains. That's super nice. So now I'm going to the station, and yeah, I'll go to Tachikawa and I'll eat fried noodles. So yeah, let's go.
This is a 209 rapid service train for Tokyo.
Okay, so now I am in Tachikawa. If you're coming in this place, make sure not to get out of the station because the restaurant is inside the station, and this is the place. It's called Yakisoba Osaka Kitchen. Yes, looks good. Okay, so now I just finished eating, and that was really nice. So now it's time to work. I'm going to the next spot for work. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and